road.
Fantastic. Yeah,
The road.
the bush.
The bush.
This
Yeah.
is all rainforest now. Rainforest.
Ganda dito.
Yes.
Ganda mag-travel. Because and also the road is already plain and not like before there. Oh my god, it's up and down. And here is really so the river is coming down there. Maybe that's the river.
Yeah.
I think so. Yes,
This
that's
is the reward for the other road.
yeah, that's the
Mildford
river.
road.
Yeah.
This is the reward because it's good road and it's,
Oh yeah.
and it's got trees. on
Oh
both
yeah.
sides.
After
Shade.
that thing there in the Mildford
Well, love,
road.
next time we come to Mildford Sound, we're coming in the summer, okay? We'll
Inshallah.
do it in the summer with our camper.
Without camper?
No, with our camper. Not
Ah.
without. Well, we can also drive here in the car in Mildford Sound. We can get book at the Mildford Lodge. They've got like units or little chalets.
Oh yeah, I think so. Yeah, but you
No,
know.
we need to bring all our own tackle when I go into that restaurant. Only once is alright. And then they give you, that's why I hate bloody restaurants. Because they give you, it costs so bloody much and give you a bugger all. And they have it all fancy, you know, tiny cute little thing. You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know.
Because it's so expensive and yet you get bugger all.
Aray ko! Oh, this is sunny. Sunny. Oh, sunny. Thanks God it's sunny. Thanks God it's sunny. After the trees, how many trees? Oh my God, thousands of trees. And now, I have sunny for maybe only 1 kilometer. And now, back to trees. So, hanggang dyan na lang muna. Bye!